Let me guide you on how to travel from Incheon International Airport Terminal 1 to Gimpo Airport by the AREX train. After you collect your luggage and exit the arrivals hall, you will see several currency exchange counters. If you need to exchange money, please do it first. Next, look for the signs that say Airport Railroad or AREX. It's about a 5 to 10 minute walk from the arrivals hall to the station. Once you reach the station, you'll see two types of trains. Make sure to take the all-stop train, which is blue. Do not take the Orange Express train, as it goes directly to Seoul Station without stopping at Gimpo Airport. You can use a transportation card like T-Money or buy a single journey ticket at the vending machines. To buy a ticket at the vending machine, simply follow the step-by-step instructions on the screen. Once you have your ticket, follow the blue line to the all-stop train platform heading toward Gimpo Airport. The ride takes about 35 to 40 minutes. Keep an eye on the monitors and get off at Gimpo International Airport Station. After you exit the ticket gate, simply follow the signs for the domestic terminal. Please note, it's about a 5 to 10 minute walk from the train platform to the domestic terminal building through an underground passage. There are moving walkways to help you move faster with your bags. Once you arrive at the domestic terminal, head upstairs to the check-in counters for your flight.